A lot of cryptocurrencies right now are falling pretty drastically on the last 24-hour, and I want to cover why that is or why that could be. There's some rumors going around about what it could be, and of course, you had to do your own research. I'm not telling you to buy or sell. I have been saying all year that I've only been buying Bitcoin essentially, with the exception of a small few other cryptos that were in very small amounts, but I've been saying that 99.9% of what I've been buying is Bitcoin. And that's because there's a lot of risk in the other cryptos. Now, I want to cover this. Now, I am keeping it dark in here as well because this is a dark video with the crypto market falling down here today. Now, Bitcoin is down at $16.6 thousand. Obviously, it's fallen down a little bit over the last 24 hours. It was up a lot just a few days ago before the Fed meeting, up at like 18.4 thousand, now down at 16.6. Ethereum, though, down 8% on the last 24 hours. BNB falling down 11%. Some of that is probably due to the fear in Binance on the last 7 days. You can see we're down 20%, but XRP down 7%, Dogecoin down 11%, Cardano down 12%. A lot of other cryptos down even more than that. Now, there are a couple different theories to why this is, but keep in mind, in bear markets, we typically do see the Bitcoin dominance go up, and today has been a good day for Bitcoin dominance, going up from 41.5 up to 42.1, and this is a significant move in a day. I mean, there aren't too many days that we see that are bigger than this. So the main theory behind this could be that Barry Silbert's DCG has been in trouble a lot recently, and a lot of these cryptos that are related to that have been selling off aggressively this evening, like Filecoin, Zen, etc, Near, leaving many speculators to wonder whether the selling is derived from DCG itself. Now, that wouldn't necessarily give a reason for why all these other cryptos are falling pretty drastically. Now, they may have exposure to other cryptos besides these, I'm sure, as well, but these are a little bit smaller projects than the ones that we were talking about before. So if they are selling, a significant amount, it would definitely dump the prices a lot more, and we're talking about like 30% moves here in a day, it looks like. So I would be careful of anything DCG has direct exposure to. Keep in mind, though, all these cryptos, right? If there's news that DCG is really in trouble, or there's some new news on that, a lot of people will sell off speculative assets and crypto assets. So a lot of these other crypto coins could fall down drastically just due to DCG news and Binance news or anything else. Bitcoin, I think, is by far the safest, which is why I've been adding to that. But we could still see more dark clouds in the future. It could also just be because crypto has held up generally pretty well this week, with the NASDAQ falling down 3% one day, I think 1% the other 2 days this week after the Fed meeting. So we could see further bleeds in crypto just because the overall macro isn't good and we got rejected on the S&P 500. There are a variety of different reasons this could be, but it's not good for people that have really gone all in on altcoins, which is why I've been very cautious against that over the entire year, essentially. But pay attention to this. I'll give you an update if anything else happens, and I will see you in the next video. There is a link to Margex underneath the video too, in case you want to try to make money off of, let's say, short selling or shorting this market. Now, of course, that's risky, so only do it if you are willing to take that risk.